Hi, welcome to the Roland Studio. Welcome to my channel. I've been absent for a while, so if you're new here, you probably wouldn't know the difference, but if you have been following me, you'll know that it's been a while since I've been able to craft. My work has kept me very busy. And then, of course, I'm here at I was there at a hotel, and I had a few minimal supplies with me, and therefore, I decided to try to paint something with my broke pinky that occurred while I was at the hotel, and it just is what it is. It happened. I hate it, but that's the way life goes, especially for me. I already haven't had any time to put out any videos for crafting, but I took advantage even with this broke pinky, which doesn't hurt, by the way. I'm doing good, thank the Lord, and I hope that I can continue to do well. So please never mind the horrible wrap. The hospital did a terrible job in wrapping it, so I had to add some masking tape because that's what I had at the time. But either way, I'm using some Waverly's chalk paints, and I use some crackle medium, some decoupage, and other things like that. And if you don't know what all those things are, you can message me in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Otherwise, please enjoy this video. It's going to be the beginning of one, maybe 2 to 3 other videos to follow, because once I finished this, I came up with a idea while I was in the process of this. I went by Big Lots out in the area because that's what was around me, and I found these cute little small jars. They were the little spice jars, and I thought that I would decoupage those too because, had stuff out, why not? And by the time I was starting to edit this video, I thought, this would be a really cute something, spice rack is what I was thinking. So I think I'm going to tie those little jars in with this picture and create a spice rack. So I hope I can get this done within the next few weeks, and I hope that you come back and follow what I'm up to, and hopefully I can get it in that quick because it's just been crazy for me. Anyways, God bless you. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you enjoy this video. And don't forget to check out my links below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I am trying to get to 1,000 so that I can start going live again if I ever have some time. So if you'd help me out with that, I'd certainly appreciate it greatly. In the meantime, I will talk at you guys later. Have a blessed day, and please look forward to the next video.